Well, there is some evidence that if you have too much visceral fat, you'll have also too much liver fat. With the InspireMe IA study, this large international study, we have confirmed that indeed in all populations of the world, in Asia, in North America, in Europe, there's a very strong relationship between abdominal visceral fat accumulation and liver fat deposition. So the more abdominal visceral fat you have, the greater you'll be your liver fat content. And both depots, so the visceral fat and the liver fat, are correlated, significantly correlated with abnormalities predictive of an increased risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease. So this is a very, very important contribution of InspireMe IA because it will redefine all over the world what is really high risk overweight obesity. It's not how fat you are, it is really determined by how much visceral fat and how much liver fat you have.